Okay, YouTubers.
Stop it, man. Get it right.
Thank you, all you folks out there.
All of you?
All of you. All of you. We can see you all through the lens here. Yeah?
It's a little, I think it's getting a little
Cramped
tight
in there.
Yeah.
Getting cramped up. Yeah, we've got 100 subscribers now. Wow. So it's the beginning of something awesome. And we would like to congratulate
Mr. Ward. Well, actually, we're presuming it's a Mr. Ward Johnson. You are our
100th subscriber. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Yep.
You get a shout out. That's what you win.
We award you a shout out.
Mr. Johnson. Mr.
Stop it. So we've got an amazing plan for this coming weekend.
Yeah, so we're going on
An adventure.
shake and bake ride. On an adventure on motorcycles or on the back roads to a very small place called
Baardskeerdersbos, which if you had to translate it directly would be Beardskeerdersbos. I know it sounds a bit odd, but it's a beautiful place.
We have broken this episode into two parts, part 1 and part 2. So be sure to if you like part 1, be sure to watch part 2 as well.
Well, you guys out there, if you like what you're watching, press the like button and subscribe.
It's a free way to support us. It's the way YouTube works. We can't help it. So we beg you, subscribe. Yes, subscribe.
Pretty please.
Okay, see you later.
See you later.
Hello, all you lovely people.
Frikkie!
Frikkie's out and about. We're mixing it up a little bit. We're not camping on this occasion. And we're going to bring you 2 recipes. One on fire, and this is like a breakfast spot. So we're in this beautiful, beautiful location on a farm. We got here on all the back roads, on motorbikes this time.
You haven't told us what you're making.
So for all the egg lovers who are tired of their usual scrambled eggs for breakfast, I'm making something called Tamago. Okay, we've got some lovely farm eggs from the Fontaine farm. Beautiful. We've got some mayonnaise, some mirin, some cucumber, some spring onion, some sugar, some sesame, some tamari, pickled ginger, and some radishes, and the sharpest knife you can find. Okay, so we're going to mix up the eggs, and we're going to do it proper Asian style with chopsticks. So I never really measure out the exact amount, but you can have a look now. This is the cool thing about a demonstration. it's a little bit of feel. I think it's around about a tablespoon of mirin that goes in. So okay, so then I put about a teaspoon of tamari in. If you don't have tamari, you can use soy sauce. Then I add about a teaspoon of sugar. We're running low on props because we're on motorbikes. You mix it all up, then it's ready to be fried. So what you're going to need is a special little pan, because you're going to be rolling up your egg pancake in a roll. And you're going to need one of these bad boys, which you'll be able to get. This is a non-stick square pan that you will get at, apparently it's rectangular.
It's rectangular. A square is equal sides.
Anyway, it's got 4 corners. Okay, so cutting up the radishes. I was looking for a nice river stone, and I ended up walking too far and realized I'm not going to find my river stone, and then I found a piece of bark instead. In this case I'm using olive oil, so I don't have any butter. So the technique is basically to make a little pancake. Then once it's set, you start rolling it. So essentially you roll it like this, push it to one side, then you pour your next little pancake. My love.
Oh. If you like this video, click the like and subscribe button. It's a free way to support us.
And if you want to support us on Patreon, oh come on guys, be a darling. Buy us a packet of chips or some biltong.